Hello crafters! This is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness, and I'm here to introduce the Pawsome Dogs Sentiments Stamps. Oh, this is so good. Great photopolymer stamps that coordinates with the Pawsome Dog Stamp Set. Alrighty, let's take a look at this one. Here you're getting 8 sentiments, all different sizes. The largest one, let me give you a quick measurement, 2 inches tall by 1 3/4 inch high. I love the font and the movement with these sentiments, so you can really have fun with your cards or scrapbooking pages, because this sizing is really good for bigger projects as well. Here is an example of My Dog Thinks I'm Cool with my little sleeping dog, or here's another card that I have, Dogs Because People Suck. Just in case you have that special someone who would so appreciate this. I love that there is fun and then there's a little bit snarky. Also, there is a pre-order option available to get the coordinating dies for all these sentiment stamps. So check out the details below where you can definitely take a closer look at the awesome Pawsome Dogs Sentiment Stamp Set. Really is awesome. Love it. Alrighty, crafters. Bye.